today we are going to discuss the combination of the action of the drug. Now you see in many instances, if you want to treat the disease, it is not necessary that always in all the circumstances we can treat the disease by using only one drug. We have to use the two or three drugs depending upon the disease present in the patient. Now when you are using two drugs, so at that time, drugs being a chemical substance, it has potency to interact with each other. So similarly, when you give the drugs, two or more drugs to the body, there are enough chances that they may interact in different ways. To produce the therapeutic effect. Now, how many combinations are possible? If you give it drug 1 and drug 2, there may be, you can say, the opposite action to each other, or they may produce the opposite action. Say for example, one drug is increasing the blood pressure, another drug is decreasing the blood pressure. One drug is increasing the heart rate, another drug is decreasing the heart rate. So they may produce the action opposite to each other, and that is known as pharmacological antagonism. Now when you are using the drug 1 and drug 2 simultaneously, there may be chances that they produce no effect. Means there is no, better to say, no increase or decrease in the response. So this is also a possibility. If you give the drug 1 and drug 2, they may not increase the effect of the drug 1, they may not be increase the effect of the drug 2. Then, if you give the two drugs, they may enhance pharmacological response. So these are the possibilities. We'll see what is the pharmacology of the action of the combination of the drugs with respect to the mechanism of action or pharmacodynamic constant. Now, let us, there is an increase in action, and on another side there is a decrease in action. Okay, these are the two possibilities. Now, in increase in action, when you give the two drugs individually, and they produce the increase in the action as compared to the if you give the drug individually, as compared to when you give the drug individually. So that is known as synergism. Drug synergism. So synergy means this is together and this is working. So term itself indicates that both the drugs works together to produce the increased therapeutic response. Now again you can say this is a cooperative actions for each other. Cooperative actions with each other, or you may say the one drug facilitates the action of other. One drug facilitates or helps to increase the action of the other drug. Now here in synergism, again there is two possibilities. It may be additive or it may be supra-additive. Okay, synergism means sum. Now in additive, in simple language, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, that is addition. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, that is addition. In supra-additive, 1 plus 1 is greater than, you can say, the 2. We will discuss it. So here additive, that means if you give the drug 1 and drug 2, so pharmacological response of this combination drug 1 and drug 2 is always equal to response of individual drug. If you sum the individual response of the drug 1 and individual response of the drug 2, that equals to the response obtained when these two drugs are combined. It's a simple addition. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is known as pharmacological, you can say the synergism, additive in nature. Clear? In supra-additive, when you use the two drugs, drug 1 and drug 2, the response of the drug 1 and drug 2, that is in combination, is always greater than individual response of drug 1 and individual response of drug 2. So, how you will describe the supra-additive pharmacological interactions? That the response of combinations of the two drugs is always greater than sum of individual response obtained when drugs used alone. Clear? Now, example here, additive. Aspirin plus paracetamol. So both are analgesic. When they combine, they will produce the double effect. Both are analgesic. When the combination of aspirin and paracetamol is used, they produce the double analgesic effect. That is the best example. Then diclofenac and paracetamol. Diclofenac and paracetamol. Here the mechanism of action of both the drug is same. Here also. This is another example. So diclofenac is again strong anti-inflammatory and weak analgesic, while paracetamol is a strong analgesic and weak anti-inflammatory. So when these two drugs are given, they will produce the additive effect on the pain, inflammation, fever and other signs and symptoms. So these combinations we are routinely used.